Hi everyone, just made this video just a follow-up to a video I saw on the internet and YouTube about how the Passat rear passenger door doesn't open. So for me it was the left rear passenger door. It wasn't opening. It actually wouldn't open from the inside or the outside. I tried unlocking it using a wire from the outside and then just slotting that wire through the handle, but that didn't work. It's probably because this thing was deadlocked. So if you can see inside, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's that green thing down the back there. Grab a... So that green thing is actually that thing over there. Hang on, let me turn on the light. There you go. So that green thing over here stops this white part, this one, from going down. So that is the open position, unlocked. And when it's up like that, when I pull on this lock, so this is the lock, this is the metal rod that goes to the part that you push up that you push down and pull up on. So that's locked, and this thing, this green thing, basically just prevents it from coming down. So you just have to yep, so that's supposed to be like that. And then when you pull it up in the lock position, it doesn't allow it to go back. It doesn't allow it to doesn't allow it to be unlocked. So you just have to move that out of the way, this thing here, and then you can move it down. And I also had to take out the motor, which is in front of this thing here. It used to be supposed to be in here. So I didn't have to there's some steps on YouTube on how to take off the door panel. So you can just follow that, and what I did was I took a hammer and a chisel and just made a hole just in the middle here. So there were some plastic bits and pieces that I'd torn off before I started the chiseling. So I just made a hole here, just a hole big enough for the motor to come out. So right up the top, around this area, took out the motor. It pops out really easily, and discovered this. Now you just have to pull this cable. So once you've unlocked that, you've moved down that white bit to the correct position, which is down. You can just pull on the door handle cable, which is this thing here. So this is the door handle cable. So you just pull on this end. Oh no, sorry, so on the other side. Pull on this hook end, and that will open the door. Mine had fallen out, so I just took my screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. There's a metal bit on here on the side that you just push forward, and that opens the door. So hopefully you guys find this helpful, and just just comment in the comment section if you got any questions. So this is a Passat, Volkswagen Passat model 2002. Yep, that's it.